Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're talking about the 5 top 2019 space saver washer dryers and/or combos. Okay. Well, first, the fifth one would be the Electrolux. Okay. The Electrolux, they have the little 24-inch models, and pretty much you can go side by side or you can stack relatively easily. And these are actually very good. My number 4 is going to be the GE. Let's go over here real quick. It's going to be the GE. Now, this is actually a full-size model, but they do make a 24-inch model, which is a space saver, which will fit into the space you have. Now, the nice thing about something like this is you have one cord. You have the 220 cord that plugs into the wall, and it powers your washer and dryer. Unlike these Electrolux, which you have to have a dryer plug and a washer plug. Okay. And my number 3 favorite one would have to be the Whirlpool. This is the Whirlpool. This took the place of what used to be the thin twins, so the 24-inch unitized unit, which has the washer and dryer. They both come off, but one plug into the wall. Takes great. It's space saving. You can do wash and dry. You don't have to move a lot. That would be my number 3 choice. Now, my number 2 favorite would have to be the Miele. They're a little bit pricey, but they're very, very good, very, very dependable, and they last a very long time. So they are, if you were a space saver looking for like a small house, camper, something like that, these are really, really good, but they're a little expensive. My favorite one, though, is the Bosch. Bosch is a very good product. The reason I like this the best is, 1, because Bosch, they make a very good product, and 2, the washer plugs into the dryer. So you can either plug them in separately or you can plug it together. So if you only have a 220 outlet for your dryer, your washer will plug right into the dryer, and all you need is the one plug for it. Okay? So I just prefer the Bosch myself, but that's just me. Do yourself some research, do your due diligence, find out which one works best for you. But these are my favorite top 5 picks of the washers for space saving that are out today. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll be back next week with some more wonderful information. Thank you very much.